Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Third Degree Adventures. Yes, I said evening, because tonight we're going to go join the Village Nomads, and we're going to be escorting some great veterans home from their honor flight from Washington, D.C. We'll come along and let's celebrate our veterans as they return home. Let's go. Couple of guys heading down there should be joining us. We should have a good turnout tonight. All right, so the way this works is we've got a bunch of veterans that have been flown to Washington, D.C. They started early this morning. Well, they've spent all day up at Washington, D.C. enjoying their monument up there, and now they're on their way home by airplane. And once they land, they'll get on the bus and they'll be coming back home. Now, they think their day is done, but it's not done. It's just beginning. Because what we do is we meet down at the local Walmart down here, and the buses take a little bit of a detour and go through the parking lot, and we pick them up and we escort them through the American Legion in Lady Lake, Florida. At the American Legion, they're all come off the bus, and then they're all brought into Legion itself, and they're all recognized by name, branch of military, and rank. And it's a really, really good event. So I look forward to it every time, and I try not to miss any of these at all. Yes, it's late at night, but it's worth it. It's absolutely worth it just to see these guys and how happy they are when they see the welcome they have. But it's just not us. Once they get there, you'll see the crowd is absolutely huge. So come on along, and we'll get down to the meeting area at our normal place, Colony Cottage Recreation Center, and then we'll all meet up at the Walmart. We actually get police escort too, so it'll be a good time. Let's go. Alright, we are a little bit early. You don't want to be late, so let's see what we get. Hopefully it's good.
the emerald skies so wide, whispers of tales where the legends reside. Giants and warriors in shadows they roam, echoes of heroes calling me home. Oh, the hills are alive with stories untold, mysteries carved in the rocks and the cold. Through the mist and the rain their spirits still rise, Irish legends in the stars and the skies. Banshees cry in the dead of the night, a warning.
Yeah.
Not sure why he did that.
Stick you on video.
I thought you were carrying a tour.
No.
You know, it's the first thing that came out of her mouth when he did what he did. Yeah. He's been here too long. You know, his expectation was that he was going to win.
Might as well.
I know. Hey guys, I'll put you on YouTube.
Yay!
The sergeant's been on there several times with complaints and stuff, but I'm sure. Yep, I'm retired out of Oregon. Jim
Out of
Patton.
Oregon?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Up at a town right by Portland, Gresham. Right
I
over
was
his
an
clouds.
engineer.
Sticking the camera in your face.
Something we get ships every day. That's when you guys did.
Say that again?
In '76, something came out. Okay.
It wasn't.
That would have to be me. Yeah.
That affects the police.
I was
section.
I wasn't born yet.
Something like-
And we got the Corvette Club over here. How many cars you got tonight?
20, should be about 27.
27.
Yep.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah,
That's really good.
we got a group.
Yeah. Well, the 68 would be my favorite, right there. All right, guys. You can see we're gonna have a motorcycle escort. We'll have some cars, I think 3 different jurisdictions taking us there, and the buses. We'll wait for the buses to arrive, and we'll go from there. I don't think I've seen a robot parking lot sweep before. If I could sneak up on it. By a bot.
So those bubble too. So those are our tar pits.
Looks good, guys. one of the guys does have the buses on a tracker. Well, they should be here anytime. Sort of know where they're at. Real-time information. So expecting them to come in any minute. There they are. All right. Got 3 bus loads. All right, from here we'll lead and the buses will follow. We'll get in between us and the Corvette Club. And we'll all go to the American Legion. Be escorted by these great officers. Alright. And we're off. Alright, so whenever you do these escort rides, you always want to stay out of that left-hand lane, because that's the lane the motorcycle officers are going to be riding very fast on to get to the next intersection to block it for you. But as we move along, every jurisdiction we go through will have an officer stationed, so coordination on this and the cooperation between the cities and the county, it's pretty good. See what I mean? You definitely want to stay out of that left lane. Do not go over there. Could be a problem if you do. We're coming up on the American Legion Lady Lake. It's where the buses are going to pull in, and we'll get to a really good reception. It's almost midnight too, by the way. So these guys have had a long day. You won't believe the crowd down here. It's amazing. It's just overwhelming. Alright, here we go. We have arrived. Look at that crowd. Wow. All right, we got a we're gonna run down there.
Yeah, we got the Chuck it up.
We have a crowd here tonight.
Yeah.
Standing up for these veterans. They appreciate
But take the car out, you have a driveway seal. I know.
Waiting for a veteran. Number 10. One more coming.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed riding along while we honored our veterans when they returned back from the Washington, D.C. and having a day on their honor flights. From here on out, throughout the night, they're going to be honored individually with their name, rank, and the division of branch of military they served in. So I'm pretty sure it's a night they'll never forget, and they definitely got the welcome home that they should have gotten when they came home from the wars they were involved in. It's very obvious why I do this. It's very fulfilling for me, and I will continue to do these as long as they have them. They do 3 of these a year, and then they do another flightless flight, which we could talk about later. So until next time, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.